Hello friends, welcome to our channel The Authentic Ayurved. Before watching the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Our today's topic is Abhakt Kal or Niranna Kal. In previous video, we have talked about 10 Bhaisajya Kal. You can find the link of our previous video in the description box. As we mentioned before that Bhaisajya Kal or the time of drug administration is one of the most important factor for getting success in the treatment of any disease. Due to our ignorance, many times we take medicine at the time which suits us. But in Ayurveda, if we want the medicine to be effective, we have to consider time in the first place. Let's start today's topic, Abhakt Aushadh Sevan Kal. So what does we mean by the term Abhakt? Abhakt means administration of Aushadh alone. In Ayurveda literature, Abhakt also have synonyms like Ananna, Nirbhukta and Suryoday Jate. Acharya Chakrapani in his commentary on Charak Samhita has mentioned that Abhakt means which should be taken before food in the morning. Food should be administered only after the medicine is completely digested. Acharya Himadri, who have done commentary on Ashtang Hridaya, clarifies that medicine should be administered in the Kaf Udrek Gatkal. In Ayurveda, the first 1/3 part of the day is considered to be Kapha Kal, the mid 1/3 part of the day is considered to be Pitta Kal, and the last 1/3 part of the day is to be considered as Vata Kal. So, from the first 1/3 part of the day, the later half is to be considered as Kapha Udrek Gatkal. Now, let's discuss the indication and contraindications of Abhakt Kal. First discuss the indications of Abhakt Kal. Rog, that is disease, and Rogi, that is the diseased, both having good strength, that is in Balwan Avastha. The action of medicine administered during Abhakt Kal is enhanced due to the empty stomach. Hence, the physician should see the strength of disease and patient. If both are strong, this kal should be selected. The medicine is administered empty stomach when the coast is devoid of kaph utklesh. The medicine will not come in contact with Agni and will not be digested properly, and effect will be either delayed or reduced. Hence, medicine is administered only after the Kaph Udrek Kal is over. The second indication is for Lekhanarth, that is scraping, and in condition where there is Utklast Kaph Pitta. The Uptarpan is the line of treatment in both the conditions. Abhakt Kal provides a suitable time for the administrations of both. Lekhan means scraping of the body part or the wound. Lekhan is a scraping of the abnormally accumulated med dhatu and kaph from srotas. For Lekhanarth, Abhakt Kal is suggested. Conditions in which Lekhan Karm is done are Kilas, that is vitiligo, Kust, that are skin diseases, Upjivika, that is ranula or swelling on the tip of tongue, Dusht Medojanya Granthi Rog like lipoma, Adhijivika, that is epiglottitis, Arsha, that is hemorrhoids, and Mans Vriddhi, etc. Abhakt Aushadh Sevan Kal is also indicated for the purpose of Krishi Karnarth. Krishi Karnarth is to make someone krish. Averagely, it is a treatment aimed at decrease in body weight and body mass. According to Ayurveda, Krishikaran is the upkram to reduce Med and Mans Dhatu for Krishikaran. Abhaktakal is suggested to take medicine as in Sthalya, Medorog, that is obesity, because empty stomach is devoid of Kapha Utklesh. So, given drugs immediately come in contact with Agni and digest, hence enhancing the efficacy of drug. Now come to the contraindications of Abhakt Aushadh Sevan Kal. The Abhakt Aushadh Sevan Kal is contraindicated in children, aged, pregnant ladies, rogi of Dhatu Chay and Dosh Chay. Ushna Tikshna drugs are not given in Abhakt Kal like Asav, arrest, etc. It will kill the person like the weak one is killed by the strong one. Thus, the simile indicates if one administered medicine without considering the above fact will produce complications like glani and even death. Now come to the conclusion. Bhaisajikal are the essential tools for administration of Aushadh. Negligence may lead to grave deficit in the treatment. Evaluation of Vay, Jeernalinga, Ritu, Vyadhi, Dushya, Desh plays important role in deciding Bhaisajikal. We will be explaining the other Bhaisajikal in our upcoming videos. So now onwards, take your medicine at right time and be happy and stay healthy.